so. We want to see every flag I wave, no matter which part it come from. Round the background, so. We want to see every flag I wave, no matter which part it come from. Round there, so. Right there, so. Over there, so. Yo, the security them round there, so. The police them right there, so. Big up yourself. My family big up yourself. My mother, my father, my grandmother. You want New York, you want Jamaica. We have so now. I take. Fly out, but I'm a young yard and I'm proud anywhere with it. Represent champion. Do ya? All of the tree, but I can't sell them on the hill. Jumping on them, we are run so. Right there so. Wanna see every flag I wave so. Every flag I wave so. Do ya? Listen me. Listen what I go on New York. Me there from. Me reaching on the venue from 3:04 p.m. Are we in at the white name IVR, RV or CVR? Me now want to sit around there so. See? Only if you know someone just walk on the stage and the police them and the people must say, oh, I don't understand, I don't disrespect nobody because I know I don't go back to prison. I'm not having that prison stuff. I'm not doing no more jail time. Anytime me I do right now, it was family time. See? So, me and you say they want to cut the performance time. I sat around there. And me listen to everybody perform and respect the whole of the elders them and everything. See? And anyway, I'll tell you the big up himself. But around there from early out. That's my first time. Level it, I'm talking to New York. Level it. I don't want them draw me out neither. Cause them fi overstand say, yo, no one of this my first time here to perform. Don't try to cut us my time here to perform. See? We have a contract. Chris and Drew, we have a contract. So we must line up on the show which part artists work on them time. Because me there from early. Busy Signal contract says 5 p.m. Performance start. Me not try to play by my Jamaica love, you know. Every flag rise up now. The whole line flag them round sign up. Every flag rise up, you know. New York, don't give me visa.